What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we're working on the Camaro 2015 SS 1LE, doing a rev match system on. And
Auto blip.
the auto blip, that's what it's called. Yeah, I'm not too good at this shit, but okay. So let me show you guys what we did over here on the Camaro. Alright, so the things we have done is, so this is the brand, upside down. Okay, hold on one second. All right, so we got, if you get this kit, it's about what, 400 bucks, 550? 600. About 600 bucks for this kit. And it comes everything ready, basically. It's really easy to install. So what you have to do is come down, connect your throttle wire, your brake wire, and your clutch wire. And the black one right here, just for now. We're gonna install the button right here on the bottom so you can see it.
Check this out.
So the button goes right there in the hole. That's what she said. For adult purposes only. Alright, so we got the. Alright, so we got it installed right here, so it's not running all over your, or drilling the holes in the other side of the dash. But yeah, basically, so that's what we have. This is not calibrated, we just got it installed.
Now the button's installed.
Okay, now we got a button installed, so we're gonna have to button everything up. And basically, when you install all this, your light, it's supposed to be coming on every time you hit the brake.
Ready?
Yes. Did you turn the key on?
Ready?
Yeah. Yep. The light is coming on, it's flashing.
That means it's armed.
That means it's armed, yes. So now...
You go forward with the button?
No, don't. So if you switch it to the other side, when you hit the brakes, nothing comes on.
So the module still comes on, but it's not armed.
Yeah,
not
the module is not armed. So turn the button on. Okay, now it's armed. Start the car. And this is the way you guys can test how it actually works. Hold the brake. So pay close attention. We're not touching the throttle at all.
Brake first.
So brake first.
Watch.
All right.
Well, let's try when I turn it off. Ready?
Yeah. Okay, so nothing's happening right now. So you can use this on the track, or you can just use it daily, whatever you want, but
It only works after 30 minutes.
all right, guys. So this is the rough install, and that's basically it's gonna work. So this is the rough install. So we're gonna calibrate the system.
I gotta do this shit.
So we're gonna calibrate the system and see every time you hit the clutch, actually it should come on. But for now, we're about to take it off the module, tied up all the wires, and go ahead and calibrate it. So make sure it's working every time you hit the clutch. All right, so I'll go ahead and clean this up and keep you guys posted. Getting ready for the track this summer, but yeah, we are trying to install this, and on this model year, the system requires this one. They require 12 volt constant power to the module, and then you go to the ground, and then you connect your pedal, gas pedal, brake pedal, clutch pedal. You connect those through, connect it to the module. You can adjust your time and everything else on your downshifting and going on the brakes. So we're about to find the constant 12 volt and hook it up, and it should be working pretty good. All right, guys, I guess we gotta figure it out. So let me show you. All right, so arm it.
It's on.
It's armed. Go for it.
Brake. Clutch.
Disarm.
Show them the disarm button.
So the disarm button is down here. We got it going. Right here is blue.
Off.
Street use not working. Okay, on. Which way?
All the way to the back.
Okay. Track time, baby. All right, we got it going. We got it going. Track time. Track mode.